A fully loaded tractor-trailer traveling at 55 miles per hour could take up to how many feet to come to a complete stop? Correct answer, C, 400 feet. Which of the following are used on some highways to direct drivers into the proper lanes for turning? Correct answer, D, white arrows in the middle of the lanes. An inattentive driver is a driver who. Correct answer, D, all of the above. You may cross a single solid white line on the highway. Correct answer, B, if traffic conditions require you to do so. Which of the following does alcohol affect? Correct answer, D, all of these choices. A chemical test is used to measure. Correct answer, B, blood alcohol content. This sign means. Correct answer, B, slippery when wet. Continuous hard braking on ice and snow often. Correct answer, C, locks the front wheels of a vehicle, causing a loss of steering. Sudden wind gusts on highways. Correct answer, C, can cause problems for all vehicles. People driving under the influence of alcohol are. Correct answer, B, every driver's problem. This symbol is used for. Correct answer, B. Slow-moving vehicles. Allow extra space in front of your vehicle when following A. Correct answer, C. Motorcycle. When entering the interstate, check for a gap in traffic in the nearest lane, adjust your speed to match traffic signal and. Correct answer, A. Emerge carefully into the gap. The sign means. Correct answer, D. Slow down and be prepared to stop if necessary. You are coming to an intersection and have a green light. Pedestrians are crossing against the red. You should. Correct answer, C. Stop to let the pedestrians cross safely. The car behind you begins to pass you. You should. Correct answer, D. Slow down slightly and stay in your lane. When you see this sign, you. Correct answer, A. Are approaching a railroad crossing and should prepare to stop. If you come to a railroad crossing with lowered gates and flashing warning lights, you should. Correct answer, B. Come to a complete stop well behind the gates, wait for the tracks to clear, and proceed once the gates are lifted. Which of these statements is true about large trucks? Correct answer, A. They take longer to stop than passenger vehicles. When two vehicles enter an intersection from different highways at the same time, which vehicle must yield the right-of-way? Correct answer, B. The vehicle on the left. Catch you in the next test. Don't forget to write your score in the comments.